Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show how to see deleted search history in Google Chrome. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account whose Chrome history was deleted. Open a new tab. Click your Google account profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. In the left menu, click Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you find History Settings. Click Review and delete your history or My Activity. The Google My Activity page will open. Scroll down to view your previous activity. To find specific deleted history, click Filter by Date and Product. Select the date you want, for example, yesterday. Optionally choose a Google product, such as Chrome, Search, or YouTube. Click Apply. Your Google activity for the selected date will be displayed if it was synced to your Google account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.